Hello everyone, very good morning. Friends, please confirm, am I audible to all and all of you can see my screen? Yes, everything is good, everything is clear. Perfect. Thank you very much for the confirmation, friends. Yes, this is Anand Sharma, your instructor for this core strategy review class. So today in this class, we will try to review everything, whatever we have learned in the Ignite. And as an additional, I will also teach you, see many times I do in the live mentor session shows few things like demand. I mean, not just apart from this demand and supply, I also show support and resistance. So that also we will revise. Yes. Do we get a recording of this session? Absolutely. Yes. Shivendra sir, you will get the recording of this session. Definitely. Yes. Yes. This is just 1 hour session just to revise everything, whatever we have learned. Recently, I started reading this book once again. Can you tell us what is a breakout? Breakout is a very sure, Mohammed ji, I will try. Mohammed, definitely yes. So recently, friends, I started reading this book once again, Rich Dad Poor Dad. How many of you read this book, Rich Dad Poor Dad? Yes, yes, yes. Many of you read 2 times. Absolutely yes. It is very amazing book. No, not yet. I read it long back. Amazing book. Half till now. So just try to read this book, complete this book. Yes, it is excellent book, amazing book. Please also tell where we ignitants are making most of the mistakes for sure, Sanjay ji. Yes, name of the book, please. Yes, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Thank you very much, Imran ji. So this is a very amazing book, friends, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. And in this book, author says, one should in life decision many times mentor says open interest don't know what exactly for sure, my user. I will just try to cover. Yes, Nehaji, correct. It is written by Robert Kiyosaki. Perfect. Yes. Friends, name of the book is Rich Dad, Poor Dad. RICH, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Yes. Wow, very good. Even yes, friends, a PDF version is available. If you just look for it now, you will get it. You will get it. I'm very good, Subhakar sir. Now see, in this book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, author says we should teach our kid to take risk. Correct, everybody? Those who have read this book, they know, है ना? ऑथर कहता है कि हमें हमारे बच्चों को रिस्क कैसे लेना है वो सिखाना चाहिए. यस, बिकॉज रिस्क के बगैर कुछ काम नहीं होने वाला. इफ यू वांट टू मेक समथिंग, इफ यू वांट टू बी सक्सेसफुल, देन वी हैव टू टेक रिस्क. वो जो कंफर्ट जोन होता है ना, वो जो कंफर्ट जोन होता है, वो कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलना है. We just need to get out of that comfort zone. Then only it will become possible to make your life successful. ठीक है. Recently everybody saw this web series 1992 scam. सबने देखा वेब सीरीज 1992 scam. हार्डली किसी ने मिस किया होगा. Yes, I am assuming everybody has watched this. Yes, even in this web series, our hero, this hero, I call him hero. Yes, so this hero also say a dialogue. Correct. Lala, risk hai to isk hai. Yes, so risk is important. It is important. But there, see, both this, even the author and this 1992 scam, this hero, they missed to add one, what we say, one word to it. And what is that word? Calculative. Calculated, correct. But sir, absolutely yes. That is missing there. Calculated risk. So what is important? Important is to take calculated risk. हमें calculated risk लेना चाहिए. Now, what is the objective of core strategy? Or maybe before I ask you this question, what is the objective of core strategy? First tell me, you tell me what is the objective of trader? ट्रेडर का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? What is the objective of trader? ट्रेडर का ऑब्जेक्टिव है इनकम, मेक मनी, टू मेक प्रॉफिट, यस, हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी ट्रेड, yes. So in most of my classes I repeat this question every time because I just want this question to register in subconscious mind. What is the objective of a trader? So objective of a trader is not to make money. पैसा बनाना objective बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. Objective of the trader is not to make money, whereas objective of the trader is to find the best trading opportunity. Best trading opportunity कहाँ पे है वो ढूंढ के निकालना. And in finding this best trading opportunity, core strategy really helps a lot. है ना? Already your everybody is trading based on this core strategy. Correct, Sanjay ji. So Ignite says make money without losing much. What does it mean? So objective or core principle of the strategy says minimize loss, maximize profit, maximize profit, and maximize probability. Maximize probability. Yes, how to control psychology? I found so much good levels, but I can't take a trade. So Dharmesh, just start with the small quantity that will help you. Yes, core strategy not helping me earning money. I placed 10 orders after my trimming. Two got executed and two also my stop loss. That is all okay, Ravinder sir. Even if I consider that out of four trade, two hits the stop loss and two moved in your favor. Okay, two hit the stop loss and two moved in favor. So you made money. You did not lose money. Now, why I am saying this? Just a minute, huh? Just a minute. Let me see if I can demonstrate this to you. So what exactly I am saying? Now, see, as a trader, our objective is to minimize the risk. ठीक है, रिस्क को कम करना है, ये हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव है. ठीक है. Many of you even do complain this that we are not getting fill in the demand zone or in the supply zone. So I just want to demonstrate this. Okay, everybody please pay attention. Just a minute, huh? Just a minute. If I can capture this image, let me just see. What is the best strategy to trade demand and supply? Nothing is best than this, because in this demand and supply we try to focus more on the confirmation. We try to focus more on the candlestick. That is why it is best. So I think almost there. Yes. Hmm. Just a minute. Let me see if I can capture this. Almost. Huh. Yes, friends. So let me just show you this. Everybody know this. What is the image? है ना? What is the image? Thank you very much, Manoranjan sir. Yes, friends. Now see here what I have written. Now see again, just one disclaimer, friends. I don't run any consultancy. I am not into this sharing my recommendations. Just few of my friends when they ask, few of my family members when they ask. So I share few stocks what I am planning to buy. This is what I do. Okay. Then what I said on Thursday, you can read it here. And everybody can read this. On Thursday, what I said, buy Kitex current market price 116. Yes. Stop loss below 100. Stop loss below 100 and target 150 plus. Now let me just take you on the chart. Kitex. It's a overall demand and supply, nothing more than that. Yes, absolutely. Yes. You also are my friends. Absolutely. There is no second thought. Yes. Now see, this is, acha, one candle is missing. There. Let me just refresh it if it appears. Chalo, done. No problem. I will just log in a little later. Yes, Prakash, Om Prakash ji, I am there. Okay. Now see this, friends. See this. Observe this. Observe this. What is happening there in the market? What is happening there in the market? Market is continuously falling, 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 falling. Yes or no? I mean, market is continuously falling, 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 falling. Yes. Okay. Now this candle, which is in green color, na, this is candle formed on Thursday, 8th of July. This is a candle formed on Thursday, 8th of July, right? That day, Thursday is 8th of July. Yes, see this, Thursday, 8th of July. Okay, so right now I'm not talking about this green candle. Just forget about this green color candle. Let me hide it. Forget about this green color candle. Now market is falling, 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 falling. Now many times I have shown this. If you just try to recollect in the live mentor session, many times I have shown this. बहुत बार मैंने बताया ये चीज, है ना? What I do in my trading. Now what happened next day? What happened next day? What price did? Price ने क्या किया? This small green color candle. What price did? Price ने क्या किया? Base candle. It formed a base candle. है ना? एक base candle form किया. Yes, very good. That is the right answer. Hold falling pressure. करेक्ट आशीष जी, मतलब जो गिरता हुआ प्रेशर है, जो फॉलिंग प्रेशर है, उसको रोकने की कोशिश की है. एंड दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव लर्नड इन द इग्नाइट ना. व्हेन मार्केट इज फॉलिंग एंड इफ समवन बिग इंस्टीट्यूशन comes in the market to stop that, arrest that momentum, to stop that falling momentum, then market will take a pause there. Market यहाँ पे pause लेता है. Correct everybody? Market takes a pause there. Yes, so market took the pause, but अभी भी confirmation नहीं है. I don't have any confirmation. Yes, market अब यहाँ से reverse होगा. If it will reverse from here or it will continue its downside momentum, मुझे नहीं पता, है ना? I don't know. I don't know what is about to happen next. मुझे नहीं पता. ठीक है? मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता. But market turn लेगा या यहाँ से reverse लेगा. I don't know. ठीक है? Many times I do call this support and resistance. You might have heard this many times, especially from my mouth. I don't know about others, but especially from my mouth, you have heard this many times. है ना? Now, what exactly the support is and what exactly this resistance is? Yes, Narayan sir, same time frame, daily time frame. Because swing trade है, सोच के लिया था. Correct, Anil Kumar sir. Yes, it is. It is. So usually what I say, now see, when price is moving this way, ठीक है? Price ऊपर गया, price made one high. High बनाया है, ठीक है? There is no supply zone right now. Supply zone नहीं है, but just simply price made this high. एक 100 रुपीज का प्राइस ने हाई बनाया एंड देन प्राइस ड्रॉप्ड फ्रॉम देयर, वहां से गिर गया, नीचे की तरफ आ गया. सो प्राइस शोज रिवर्सल. रिवर्सल शो कर रहा है ये. यस और नो? प्राइस इज शोइंग रिवर्सल. इफ इट इज शोइंग रिवर्सल, व्हाट डज इट मीन? इट मेड हाई, इमीडिएट हाई. सो ये जो इमीडिएट हाई है, इसको मैं कहता हूं माइनर रेसिस्टेंस. सो दिस इमीडिएट हाई, आई कॉल दिस एज माइनर रेसिस्टेंस. ठीक है? माइनर रेसिस्टेंस. When now price is dropping, continuously price नीचे की तरफ गिर रहा है. Price is dropping, dropping, dropping. It stopped here. यहाँ पे price रुक गया गिरना. It stopped here and again it turned up. ऊपर की तरफ मुड़ गया. Again I am saying there don't have demand zone. Demand नहीं बना. Unfortunate. Demand नहीं बना. ठीक है? But what we have, this price shows reversal ना. गिरते हुए price अब ऊपर की तरफ जा रही है. It started moving up. Yes, गिरती हुई प्राइस ऊपर की तरफ जा रही है. So now whatever low it has made, let's say it made a low of 90 rupees. So this immediate low, जो immediate low बना है, इसको हम कहेंगे minor support. Why minor resistance? Why minor support? Minor resistance क्यों कह रहा हूँ, minor support क्यों कह रहा हूँ? Because this is just a one high and one low. एक single high है और single low है. Conventional trader, when I used to trade based on this conventional before 2012, 2012 के पहले जब मैं कन्वेंशनल के बेसिस पे ट्रेड किया करता था, सो वी जस्ट नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई हाउ मेनी टाइम्स प्राइस touch the same price point or nearby price point. So that makes it major resistance. What does it mean? If it is minor resistance है तो इसको तोड़ना आसान है. It is easy. Price can break this resistance. ये यहाँ पे इसको तोड़ सकता है. But at the same time, let's say if price goes near to this, इसके पास जाता है, सपोर्ट रेसिस्टेंस के पास जाता है, थोड़े से पॉइंट इधर उधर चलेंगे, 100 के जगह 101 का हाई बनाएगा, 100 के जगह 99 का हाई बनाएगा. इंस्टेड ऑफ 100 रुपीज इट कैन मेक अ हाई ऑफ 101 और 99 रुपीज. दैट इज ऑल ओके. हो सकता है ना, दैट इज पॉसिबल, हो सकता है, दैट इज पॉसिबल, बट दैट इज ओके, दैट इज ओके. नाउ सी, नाउ सी, if we see some bearish formation here near to the support resistance level, अगर कोई रेसिस्टेंस लेवल के आसपास कोई बेरिश फॉर्मेशन बन जाता है या नया सप्लाई जोन बनता है, if it forms new supply zone close to this, so can we say now we are getting confirmation, we are getting confirmation? Yes. So Malcolm sir, absolutely yes, we don't trade. Again friends, I am just repeating this, friends, we don't trade based on this support and resistance. हम सपोर्ट और रेसिस्टेंस के बेसिस पे ट्रेड नहीं करते हैं. वी डोंट ट्रेड बेस्ड ऑन द सपोर्ट एंड रेसिस्टेंस, बट दिस इज अ गुड पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर द ट्रेडर. ट्रेडर के लिए वो एक अच्छा इंफॉर्मेशन है चार्ट के ऊपर अवेलेबल व्हेन वी डोंट हैव डिमांड, व्हेन वी डोंट हैव सप्लाई. आर यू ऑल विथ मी? जब डिमांड नहीं है, सप्लाई नहीं है, तो वो एक अच्छा इंपॉर्टेंट पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन है. सो वी कैन यूज दैट इंफॉर्मेशन. ठीक है, perfect. So if price forms like an additional odd and answer, correct Dharmesh ji, well said, like an additional odd and answer. So if price starts forming a new supply zone here, then we can expect more downside momentum. अब यहाँ से price और नीचे की तरफ आ जाएगा because वहाँ पे supply zone बन गया. Same thing, now price is trading close to this support level के आसपास price आ गई है. If we observe that price is forming, if price is forming some quality रिवर्सल फॉर्मेशन, कोई रिवर्सल फॉर्मेशन देता है नियर टू दिस सपोर्ट लेवल, इफ इट फॉर्म्स डिमांड जोन देयर, दैट विल गिव अस अ कंफर्मेशन कि अब प्राइस यहां से भागने को तैयार है. इट कैन रैली. यस और नो? प्राइस भागने को तैयार है, इट कैन रैली. चलो डन. नाउ सी अगेन, लेट्स कम बैक टू दिस चार्ट के टेक्स्ट. ठीक है. नाउ सी, this is the movement. Now if I am talking about this low, what price has made the low, price ने क्या low बनाया है? This is the price made the low. प्राइस ने ये लो बनाया 108.2. प्राइस मेड दिस लो. ठीक है. सो फ्रॉम वेयर, इफ आई आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन, अगर मैं क्वेश्चन पूछता हूं, फ्रॉम वेयर प्राइस मेड दिस लो, कहां से प्राइस ने लो बनाया? सो डू आई गेट दिस आंसर कि प्राइस ने ये लो इस पॉइंट से बनाया, यहां से प्राइस गिरना शुरू हुआ था. दिस इज द पॉइंट फ्रॉम वेयर प्राइस स्टार्टेड फॉलिंग. यहां से प्राइस गिरना शुरू हुआ था. Yes, perfect, very good, super friends. Now see, if I ask you from where price made this high, what high it made? It made a high of 135. 135 का high बनाया है. So from where price made this high? Price ने ये high कहाँ से बनाया है? So can I say यहाँ से ऊपर की तरफ चलना शुरू हुआ था, है ना? Very good friends. Now see, आप लोग already सीख गए इस चीज को, what I am talking about. Yes, so price made this high from this low. ठीक है. Now अगर मैं एक horizontal line यहाँ पे लगाता हूँ, if I place one horizontal line here, somewhere here. So can I say that now this will act as a support? ये support की तरह काम करेगा. This will act as a support. चलो, good, very good, very good. At the support level, this is called a bullish formation. Now those who are aware of candlestick, yes, Pushpa, you will get the recording. है ना? So those who are aware of the candlestick, those who knows about the candlestick, so they know that this is a bullish formation. ये एक bullish formation बनाया है. Single, if you consider single candlestick formation, then yes, it is a spinning top. If you consider two candlestick formation, then this is bullish harami. That is correct. This is bullish harami. ठीक है? Now see, still bullish harami का confirmation आता है ना? bullish harami का confirmation आता है. So Priyambad Ajay. So what we discussed, near to this support level, this was the minor support. Second time price came to this level, and what price did? Price ने क्या किया? Price ने क्या किया? Here it formed a bullish formation. एक bullish formation दिया है. So together this two candle, ये दो candle को अगर merge करते हैं ना, so together this two candle forms bullish candle. Yes. Don't think much about the time frame, Sachin sir. So when we are talking about demand, support and resistance, so वो कोई भी time frame पे काम करेगा in the sense because just the information है वो, it is just the information. So we can take the help of the support resistance on the lower time frame chart. We can take the help of the support resistance on the high time frame chart. So कोई भी time frame पे चलेगा. It is all about कि आप कैसे उसको read कर रहे हो. That is it. ठीक है. Now see, still, yes, I am not going to take trade until unless I get the confirmation because I am a demand supply trader. Correct everybody? मैं तो demand supply trader हूँ. I am not going to take trade until unless I get the confirmation because what if tomorrow price breaks the level? Support ही तो है ना? Support ही तो है. So what if price breaks the level? Yes, साकिब जी, जरूरत भी नहीं है. I don't care about the name of the candle, whatever the name is. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? मुझे कैंडल समझता है वो मेरे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है ना? What I understand is candle. So what I know now, this is my red color candle, is my leg candle, yes or no everybody? ये मेरा leg candle है. चलो, good. This green color candle is base candle. Perfect, perfect. अब इसके बाद में क्या हो सकता है? Next candle is leg out ना? Leg out बनेगा. Next candle would be leg out. चलो, very good, yes. अब next candle, if we are expecting next candle would be leg out बनेगा. That could be it. This formation could be drop base and drop, DBD बन सकता है, और this could be drop base rally भी बन सकता है. drop base rally, drop base rally, यही दो ऑप्शन है मेरे पास. ठीक है, आई एम वेटिंग. हाँ, मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ. नेक्स्ट डे व्हाट आई सॉ, मैंने क्या देखा? कैंडल ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है. इट स्टार्टेड मूविंग अप. ये ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है. ओवरऑल स्टॉक का ट्रेंड अगर आप देखोगे तो क्या है? करेक्ट, ब्यूटीफुल सनराइज. ओवरऑल स्टॉक का ट्रेंड आप देखोगे तो क्या है? इट इज अप ट्रेंड है ना? अप ट्रेंड है. इन अप ट्रेंड में यूजुअली प्राइस नया हाई बनाने का कोशिश करता है. इन अप ट्रेंड प्राइस ट्राइज टू मेक न्यू हाई, नया हाई बनाने का कोशिश करता है. नाउ सी दिस, इफ प्राइस इज ट्राइंग टू मेक न्यू हाई, नया हाई बनाने का कोशिश करेगा, यानी कि मेरा टारगेट इसके ऊपर हो सकता है. एंड देयर आई डोंट सी सप्लाई फॉर्मेशन नियर बाय. सी, कुछ है मेरे पास. दिस इज ओनली सप्लाई फॉर्मेशन आई सी ना एवरीबॉडी, यस और नो? दिस इज ओनली सप्लाई फॉर्मेशन आई सी. 142 148 के आसपास का सप्लाई जोन है मेरे पास. मतलब मेरा टारगेट ऊपर की तरफ खुला हो गया, राइट? खुला हो गया. नाउ सी, in this candle when I observed, yes Rekha ji, now this is Thursday. ठीक है friends, everybody, this is 8th of July, Thursday. 8th of July का candle है, Thursday. So when I observed this, जब मैंने observe किया, around 12:30 I observed this. 12:30 भी नहीं, शायद 12:15. Around 12:15 I observed this. ट्रेडिंग इज व्हाट इट इज, मिनिमाइजिंग द रिस्क मैक्सिमाइजिंग प्रॉफिट, है ना? ट्रेडिंग इज minimizing the risk maximizing the profit. Now what I understood by observing this candle, ये कैंडल देख के मुझे क्या समझ में आ रहा है कि सपोर्ट के आसपास प्राइस इज ट्राइंग टू रिवर्स इट्स डायरेक्शन, वो पूरा का पूरा डायरेक्शन रिवर्स करने की कोशिश कर रहा है. नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज, one point I can wait for the price to give me a pullback. Point number one, yes or no everybody? Point number one, I can wait for the price to give me a pullback. या तो मुझे pullback दे तब मैं डिमांड में बाय करूंगा. Yes. Many times we have discussed this also in the live mentor session. Let's say if I want to buy 1000 shares, ठीक है? अगर मुझे 1000 शेयर खरीदना है इस कंपनी का, if I want to buy 1000 shares, and let's say in my subconscious mind I think कि यार ये तो भाग रहा है स्टॉक, मे बी शायद पुल बैक नहीं देगा, it may not give me a pullback. I know my risk. I know my risk. मैं 15-16 रुपए का रिस्क ले रहा हूँ. I know my risk. Yes, I have decided what risk I am taking. In front of my risk, I am getting a reward of 2:1. 2:1 से ज्यादा का रिवॉर्ड मुझे मिल रहा है. I am getting a reward of 2:1. So what I can do? I can buy partial here, 500 shares. Next day, if price gives me pullback, मुझे pullback अगर मिल जाता है, तो मैं 500 शेयर यहाँ पे बाय कर सकता हूँ. I can buy 500 shares here also. है ना? 500 शेयर में यहाँ पे भी बाय कर सकता हूँ. That is the reason here what I did, I just simply bought at 116, मार्केट में ही ले लिया. Because everybody doesn't understand this demand and supply का concept. जिसको आता है उसको ही आता है, हर किसी को नहीं आता है ना? Then what happened next day, Friday? Login, connect, login, connect. It is done, perfect. Next day क्या हो गया? See, this is Friday. This is Friday. It hit the upper circuit. Very honest answer is, friends, I did not expect this to upper circuit immediately next day. God promise, मैंने बिल्कुल भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि इमीडिएटली अगले दिन ही अपर सर्किट लगा देगा. वेरी ऑनेस्ट, बट इट डिड. ठीक है, इट डिड. इसने अपर सर्किट लगा दिया. सो आई जस्ट एक्सप्लेन यू मैंने किस तरीके से डिमांड को मेरे फेवर में यूज किया. हाउ आई यूज दिस डिमांड इन माय फेवर. यस, न्यूज केम लेटर. करेक्ट सबीरा जी? जब जब ये प्राइस गिर रहा था, when it was falling, then there was no news. There was no news. And every time I say this, if you know how to read the chart, अगर आपको पता है चार्ट कैसे रीड करना है, if you know how to read the chart, yes, then before that moves happens, you can identify, you can capture such moves. आप ऐसे moves capture कर सकते हो. Correct? Yes. Now see how to identify such stocks. So just say if you are reading newspaper, or if you get a list of the stock, yes, if you get a list of these stocks जिनके results आने वाले हैं, जिनके results आने वाले हैं, so you can take those stocks and you can start analyzing the stock. क्या ऐसा कोई stock तो नहीं है जिसमें कोई result आने वाला है, जिसमें कोई news है? Just start analyzing the stock. If we know how to take the risk, how to take the calculative risk, how to take the calculative risk, so we can go with it, है ना? We can go with it. Very soon, Alia very soon. It will not take much time. But how will I sell the next day? It has become delivered based. It is all okay, Manisha ji. So upper circuit ही बंद हो रहा है stock. That is a positive sign. So if not next day on Friday, not immediately next day on Friday, we can sell on Monday or on Tuesday. है ना? We can sell on Monday or on Tuesday. Yes. So Ramakrishnan sir, so this is how, if you're just watching some news channel, okay, and if news channel is saying, if the anchor is saying that this is a stock which is about to give some news, where some news is there, or these are the stocks which is about to announce their result, सो जस्ट एनालाइज दो स्टॉक कि क्या रिजल्ट आ सकता है, एंड यू विल गेट टू नो। ठीक है, मीनवाइल चलो लेट्स गो ऑन द चार्ट एंड लेट्स रीड दिस निफ्टी। कैन वी डू दिस? इंटेलेक्ट का भी बता दीजिए। अच्छा आपने वो पढ़ लिया इंटेलेक्ट का। गुड। चलो नो वरीज, I will tell you about the intellect also. Right now, see if I go to intellect. So again, again, if you observe here, intellect. So it has stuck sideways. See this. It has stuck sideways. It is a very sideways momentum in intellect. Right now, if you observe, then intellect is trading close to this demand zone here. Yes or no? It is trading close to this demand zone here. Now, what I wrote there, मैंने क्या लिखा है वहां पे? That intellect keep on radar. If managed to close above 723, it will turn bullish. यानी कि फ्राइडे को मैंने लिखा था ये कि अगर 7 इफ इट मैनेज टू क्लोज अबाउट 723 इट मे टर्न बुलिश। व्हाट डज इट मीन? इसका मतलब क्या है? आई नो, आई नो, जब तक ये 723 के ऊपर नहीं जाएगा। नाउ दिस इज द बेस कैंडल। व्हाट इज द हाई ऑफ दिस बेस कैंडल? व्हाट इज द हाई ऑफ दिस बेस कैंडल? सो राजन सर, दिस टाइम आई एम नॉट टेकिंग दिस एज अ डिमांड जोन, आई एम जस्ट कंसीडरिंग दिस एज अ सपोर्ट लेवल। सपोर्ट लेवल की तरह मैं इसको एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, अज्यूम कर रहा हूँ। ठीक है, yes, so high of this base candle is 722.90, that is the high it made. So until unless if any of the candle close above 722.90, it will not give me rally candle. Are you all with me? जब तक ये 700 पॉइंट के ऊपर अच्छा स्ट्रॉन्ग बंद नहीं होगा, तब तक मुझे रैली कैंडल तो नहीं बनेगा, नहीं मिलेगा। आई विल नॉट गेट माई रैली कैंडल। Yes, Kumkum ji. So Kumkum ji, right now see, can I say I got this as a leg candle? ये legging candle है, can I say? Not this one. Let me delete this arrow. ठीक है, हाँ this one. Can I say this is a red candle is my drop candle? ठीक है. This is my base, base and base. तीन base है, तीन base में भी Friday का छोड़ देते हैं. Let's forget about this candle first. One and two base candle, one and two base candle. ठीक है ना? One and two base candle. If this candle starts moving up, अगर ये ऊपर की तरफ जाता है, ये ऊपर की तरफ जाता है और ये स्ट्रांगली ऊपर की तरफ जाता है, इफ इट मैनेज टू क्लोज अबाउट द 723, अगर ऐसा बंद हो जाता है ये फ्राइडे को, सो कैन आई से कि यहाँ पे एक लेग आउट कैंडल मिल जाता मुझे? कैन आई से एक लेग आउट कैंडल मुझे मिल जाता? अगर ये लेग आउट कैंडल मुझे मिल जाता है ना, आई कुड हैव प्लान माई ट्रेड इन दिस डिमांड, न्यूली फॉर्म डिमांड, ड्रॉप बेस्ड रैली। करेक्ट, डिमांड जोन जनरेट होने का मैं वेट कर रहा था, बट जस्ट बिकॉज इट डिड नॉट जनरेट द डिमांड, आई डिड नॉट टेक माई ट्रेड। मैंने अपना ट्रेड नहीं लिया, मैंने अपना ट्रेड नहीं लिया। गॉट इट एवरीबॉडी? Yes, there was a gap down, but in the Kitex we are not seeing the gap down. हाँ गैप डाउन है किटेक्स में, एब्सोल्युटली यस। नाउ फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस स्टॉक, ये तो हो गया। मैं आपको एक स्टॉक और दूंगा टुडे। आई विल शेयर वन स्टॉक विद यू, रिसेंटली बॉट और मूवमेंट नहीं आया है, इट इज स्टिल ट्रेडिंग एट दैट प्राइस ओनली। आई विल शेयर वन स्टॉक। ठीक है, नो, केआरबीएल में ब्रेकआउट था, एब्सोल्युटली यस, बट नॉट केआरबीएल, समथिंग अदर, कुछ और देता हूं मैं। meanwhile meanwhile let me just go to nifty and analyze this nifty. ठीक है, can I one question sometimes confuse about that gap down which make type which make supplies, and I also sometimes miss the type. Sir, can you help me with this? For sure Ashish ji, definitely yes. So Dharmesh ji, now see, one very best thing what we have, one very best thing what we have is this market watch nifty 500, है ना? The best market watch we have. थैंक यू मयूर सर, ये सबसे बेस्ट मार्केट वॉच है। इसके अलावा अगर कुछ चाहिए, इफ यू वांट समथिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, समथिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, then if you are reading some newspaper, or if you are reading some business magazine, and if you come across some of these stock, कोई stock का नाम कोई बोल रहा है, if you come across some of these stock, Yes, so at least check the chart, analyze the chart, we know the condition, हमें सब पता है कि कौन से conditions use करने हैं. Analyze the chart. If it is in the favor, go with it. If it doesn't, छोड़ दो, है ना? यस कृष्णा जी, लेग आउट बनने के बाद में ही परचेज करना है, या जब आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा कि इट इज फॉर्मिंग अ लेग आउट, वो लेग आउट फॉर्म कर रहा है, इट इज फॉर्मिंग अ लेग आउट, दैट गिव्स यू कंफर्मेशन कि हाँ भी लेग आउट बन जाएगा. आज का मार्केट पॉजिटिव ही क्लोज होगा तो लेग आउट दिखेगा हमें बंद होते होते. इफ यू गेट दिस कंफर्मेशन ना, देयर यू कैन बाय, तब आप बाय कर सकते हो. यस, वी आर ट्राइंग टू रीड दी प्राइस, है ना? नाउ see what we have here in the Nifty. Let me add this. Someone asked me to add this basic candle indicator. ठीक है, let me add this. Now what we have in Nifty. Nifty में हमारे पास क्या है? What we have in Nifty. It is a newly formed rally base and rally. RBR का formation है, correct? So this is my RBR formation, rally base and rally formation. So this month, it was the strong month. It was the strong month. Yes or no? Yes. So this was the month of May. ठीक है? Now please everybody pay attention. थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिएगा. Please pay attention. Now see this. In the last 2 months, what is happening? पिछले 2 महीनों में क्या हो रहा है? Last 2 months, what is happening there? Base candle, perfect. Yes. So this and this, both the candle is a base candle. ठीक है? दोनों के दोनों base candle है. दोनों के दोनों base candle है. Candle immediately preceding to the base candle is called as candle immediately preceding to the base candle is called as legging candle. है ना? बेस के जो इमीडिएटली पहले का जो कैंडल है उसे हम लेग इन बुलाते हैं. नाउ हियर वी गॉट दिस लेग इन, हियर वी गॉट दिस बेस. लेग इन मिल गया, बेस मिल गया, लेग आउट इज मिसिंग. लेग आउट मिसिंग है अभी भी, लेग आउट इज मिसिंग. Yes, now see this leg out, this leg out could be, this leg out could be rally and this could be a drop. रैली भी हो सकता है, ड्रॉप भी हो सकता है. This leg out could be rally or a drop, but right now I don't have any confirmation. Why I don't have any confirmation? See, what is the high this candle made? ये जो base candle है इसने क्या high बनाया था? This base candle. Let me just keep my mouse cursor there. ठीक है? What high it made? 15,915.65. And what low this candle made? कितना low बनाया है इसने? It is 15,450. है ना? Now just try to understand. Until unless succeeding candle to this base, इसके बाद में जो भी candle बन रहे हैं, immediately next हो या उसके बाद वाला हो, succeeding candle until unless goes and sustain above the 915 or 16 level. Yes, until unless if it goes above 916 level, जब तक 916 के ऊपर नहीं जाएगा, chances are very less ना, it will form a leg out candle. Chances कम है कि वो leg out बनाएगा. Yes or no? कम chances है, because previous candle है, monthly candle है, it will act as a resistance की तरह काम करेगा. Correct है? Now see, now here in this candle, this has made a low of 450. So same thing, जब तक वो 450 के नीचे नहीं जाएगा, बहुत कम चांस है, very less chance of forming drop candle as a leg out. बहुत कम चांस है of forming drop candle. Yes. So now this is a monthly time frame chart. मैं monthly chart में हूँ. Now if I take you on the daily time frame chart, just to explain the same concept जो मैंने monthly में देखा, just to explain the same concept what I observed on the monthly chart. Now if I take you on the daily time frame chart, now what is happening here? Now see this. How many times we got the rejection? This is a one time, second time, third time, 4 टाइम, yes or no? Yes. How many times you got the rejection? इतने बार हमें रिजेक्शन मिला है, हमें बहुत बार हमें रिजेक्शन मिला है. Now if you have got the rejection so many times, correct Bharat ji, so we can call this as a strong resistance. ये strong resistance है, major resistance है. So it has to cross this level of 915. If it crosses this level of 915, जैसे 915 क्रॉस करेगा, as soon as it crosses this level of 915, मार्केट में और फ्रेश बाइंग शुरू हो जाएगी. There observe if it forms new drop based rally or rally based rally formation, that will be good opportunity to go long. वो हमारे लिए नया opportunity होगा long जाने के लिए. But at the same time, what we are discussing, that price has made the low of 450. 450 का लो कहाँ पे बनाया था? Somewhere I think here. यहाँ से जब प्राइस ऊपर की तरफ गया था, somewhere here. Yes, इधर ही किधर, somewhere here. Perfect. ठीक है. This is the low. So stop loss will be based on that demand. Whatever new demand formed there, it will be based on that. Same. Now see, right now it is trading sideways. Sideways movement है ना? This is trading sideways. Sideways movement ही है. Yes. But it is said that if candle knocks the resistance, chances of it breaking increases with next knock. That is correct, Sanjay sir. That is correct. But what is happening there? It is not breaking the resistance. Resistance को break नहीं कर रहा है. अगर कर जाता है, what will happen next? If it breaks the resistance level, अगर वो break कर देगा, then क्या होगा वहां पे? Sharp move upside, है ना? New high, it will make a new high. Sharp move upside, एक sharp movement आएगा ऊपर की तरफ का. Yes, वहां पे नया demand form होगा, and we will use that demand zone in our favor. We will use that demand zone in our favor. ठीक है. IC Nifty made a high of 350 on 5th of July and chart looks like it takes after drop base candle seems like Nifty will move. That is possible. There we have chances of Nifty moving up. Still, I am not bearish in Nifty. Now, see, this is how I join the support. But if I join this resistance this way, na, I mean, if I join the recent low, now this is my recent low, then this is my recent low, and if I join this way, अगर मैं यहाँ से if I pick this and if I join this way, मैं ऐसे join करता हूँ इसको. So this is also sign of bullish कि एक bullish formation form कर रहा है. But until as it breaks this resistance, it is difficult to say. This is difficult to say if it is really going to break the resistance. So we'll wait and watch. थोड़ा सा हम इंतजार करेंगे. Until we get the confirmation, don't jump. जब तक confirmation नहीं है, जब तक surety नहीं है, don't jump in the market. Wait and watch. But हाँ, chances are quite high. It will turn. So what we were discussing now. See, last support was 450. Previous candle low was 450. So if price breaks and sustain below the level of 450, अगर 450 के नीचे बंद होता है या तोड़ देता है, then we can say ना, now it is about to form a new rally base and drop formation on the monthly time frame chart. एक RBD बनाएगा monthly time frame chart. Yes, that will give us the confirmation. So still I am using this demand and supply only to trade, to execute my trade. The only thing is sometimes I am executing a little faster. थोड़ा सा मैं उसको fast read करता हूँ and I execute my trade little earlier. Thank you very much, Atul ji. Now see, even many times we have what we have done. बहुत बार हमने ये भी देखा है कि I do trade option market also. I do trade future market also. मैं फ्यूचर भी ट्रेड करता हूं, मैं ऑप्शन भी ट्रेड करता हूं. नाउ इन फ्यूचर एंड ऑप्शन देयर इज अ कंसेप्ट ऑफ ओपन इंटरेस्ट. ठीक है. दिस कंसेप्ट ऑफ ओपन इंटरेस्ट इटसेल्फ इज अ लेंदी कंसेप्ट. एक बड़ा कंसेप्ट है, एक बड़ा कंसेप्ट है. ठीक है. But if I just give you a hint of this open interest, what exactly open interest is? So it is like a volume. जैसे हम चार्ट पे वॉल्यूम देखते हैं, it is exactly like that. All the scripts which are available for trading in future and option, जो भी फ्यूचर एंड ऑप्शन में ट्रेड करते हैं, all the stocks which are available for trading in future and option, Yes, they read open interest. वो open interest को read करते हैं. They read open interest. So now see, this open interest is easily available. ये सबके पास है, ये available है. So what you need to do is just go to this NSEindia.com. Correct number of open call in call side, a number of open position in put size, a put side. Yes. So this is where you can check the open interest. Now let's say if I write down this NIFTY Nifty in derivative. Okay, I just click on it. Nifty in derivative. Now can you read this? It is written there option chain, है ना? Yes. If I click on this option chain, मैं इस option chain पे click करता हूँ. Now see, this is the data. This is data of open interest. What is current market price on Nifty? It is 15,689. 15,689. Yes. So my current market price is 15,689. So I will just check this strike price. 15,689. कहाँ पे आ रहा है? This 700. ये मेरा strike price बन जाएगा 700. At the money इसको बोलते हैं इसको. This is at the money. Now see, on my left hand side we have puts. On my right hand side we have calls. Left hand side में put है, right hand side में call है. Left hand side में put है, right hand side में call है. So there what we need to check. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे what is written there. Can you all read this? OI. OI दिख रहा है यहाँ पे? OI. OI stands for open interest, and here also you will read this OI. इधर भी लिख रहा है, दिख रहा है OI. OI लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे open interest. ये कॉल का ओपन इंटरेस्ट है एंड ये पुट्स का ओपन इंटरेस्ट है. दिस इज ओपन इंटरेस्ट ऑफ कॉल साइड एंड दिस इज ओपन इंटरेस्ट ऑफ पुट साइड. ठीक है, हमें यहाँ पे क्या देखना होता है कि कहाँ पे ओपन इंटरेस्ट सबसे ज्यादा है. वेयर वी हैव हाईएस्ट ओपन इंटरेस्ट. सबसे ज्यादा ओपन इंटरेस्ट कहाँ पे है? सो हियर आई कैन ऑब्जर्व. सी, राइट नाउ मैक्सिमम ओपन इंटरेस्ट एट द मनी. जो भी एट द मनी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है, मतलब 15,600 700 के आसपास सबसे ज्यादा ओपन इंटरेस्ट है. सेकेंड 15,600, देन 15,500. करेक्ट. सो ये जो इमीडिएट लेवल्स हैं, ये जो इमीडिएट लेवल्स हैं, दैट हेल्प्स अस टू अंडरस्टैंड कि प्राइस ये लेवल्स को नहीं तोड़ेगा. इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू ब्रेक दिस लेवल. एट द सेम टाइम हमें ये भी देखना होता है कि ओपन इंटरेस्ट घट रहे हैं या बढ़ रहे हैं. ओपन इंटरेस्ट इज इंक्रीजिंग और ओपन इंटरेस्ट इज डिक्रीजिंग. दैट इज ऑल्सो वी नीड टू चेक. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. यस, इफ इट इज इंक्रीजिंग और डिक्रीजिंग. अगर प्राइस 500 के आसपास आते आते प्राइस अप्रोचिंग दिस 500 लेवल, एंड हियर इफ ओपन इंटरेस्ट स्टार्ट्स इंक्रीजिंग, बढ़ना शुरू हो जाता है अगर ओपन इंटरेस्ट यहाँ पे, देन यहाँ पे प्राइस सपोर्ट ले लेगा 500 पे. इट विल नॉट अलाउ इट टू ब्रेक दिस लेवल. राइटिंग एन ऑप्शन करेक्ट. बट इफ इट ओपन इंटरेस्ट स्टार्ट्स डिक्रीजिंग, ये लाइव रहता है. यस आलोक जी, इट इज अ लाइव. लाइव मार्केट में देखेंगे इट इज अ लाइव. इफ इट स्टार्ट्स डिक्रीजिंग यानी कि वो जो सपोर्ट लेवल है वो कमजोर होता जा रहा है. प्राइस कैन ब्रेक द सपोर्ट. Same on the call side. We will check where we have highest open interest. अब मेरा open interest कहाँ पे है? So right now highest open interest what I am observing is it is at 60. I mean 15,600 level पे highest open interest है ना? I just clicked on it. So okay, Nifty derivative option chain. Where is option chain? हाँ. So option chain, yes. Now, so here we have highest open interest 65,000 level. This is the highest open interest. ठीक है? So it is now currently it is difficult for the price to break this open interest of break this level of 15,800. It is difficult to break this. Just a minute, again it went option chain. Ha. So 15th July expiry selected by default. This is the expiry there, 15th July expiry, which is weekly expiry. If you want, we can also check the monthly expiry. So monthly expiry is on 28th of July, 29th July. There's a monthly expiry. So we can read this data also, that where we have highest open interest for a month. So there we have a highest open interest at 55,000 open interest at what price? At what price? Can you read this? At what price? 16,000. 16,000. तो हो सकता है इवन इन दिस एक्सपायरी, इस एक्सपायरी में भी, ये जुलाई मंथ के एक्सपायरी में भी, इट विल नॉट क्रॉस अबव 16,000 लेवल, शायद वो उसको क्रॉस नहीं करेगा. So this open interest that helps us to understand where we have strong support level, where we have strong resistance level. Once you know this, where we have strong support level, where we have strong resistance level, we can also play in the option market. हम option market में भी play कर सकते हैं. Now, what is the use of playing this option market? Option market में play करने का फायदा क्या है? ठीक है? What is the use of this playing option market? क्या फायदा होता है इससे? ठीक है? Friends, I am not going to teach you in detail about the open interest because it itself is a very lengthy concept. एक बहुत बड़ा concept है ये. But what if I add this, right click, add script, Nifty. Right click, add script, Nifty. Now, if I do this Control F, so what I got here? Now see, again this is the option chain. Trade Tiger में जो option chain है वो मिल गया मुझे. This is the option chain. On my right hand side, I have this puts. On my left hand side, I have this call. Current market price is 650. So automatically it is in black color. ये current market price है 650 का. ठीक है, let me just open one chart. एक chart open करते हैं. Observe this, ये friends, observe this. Now if I go to lower time frame chart, अगर मैं 15 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम पे जाता हूँ, if I go to lower time frame chart, ठीक है, and if I hide this, today's, I mean Friday's momentum, Friday's का movement अगर मैं छुपा देता हूँ, so what we have here, leg candle and then base candle, yes or no? Leg and base. Next day what happened? Price drop, price गिर गया, नीचे आया. Someone asked me how to read the gap. Now see, gap, simple definition of gap is just try to measure the previous candle close and current candle's open price. If you see a gap there, current candle का open price, previous candle का close price, if you see a gap there, it is a gap. And how to read the gap? Now whatever the color of the gap is, जो भी color हो gap का color होगा, वो हमारे लिए important नहीं है. हमारे लिए क्या important है? ये gap down हुआ है, consider that as a drop. Gap up हुआ है, consider that as a rally. Gap down हुआ है तो ड्रॉप कंसिडर करना है, गैप अप हुआ है तो रैली कंसिडर करना है. व्हाट डज इट मीन? नाउ लेट्स से द लास्ट कैंडल क्लोज दिस वे. ये लास्ट कैंडल है, ये ऐसे बंद हुआ. कलर इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट, ठीक है, कलर भूल जाइए. लास्ट कैंडल ऐसे बंद हुआ, ठीक है. इफ नेक्स्ट कैंडल ओपन दिस वे, इस तरीके से ओपन होता है, अगेन व्हाट एवर द कलर इज, लेट मी चूज दिस ब्लैक कलर, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अगर नेक्स्ट डे मार्केट ऐसे ओपन हुआ है, दिस इज अ गैप अप ओपनिंग और गैप डाउन ओपनिंग. ये गैप अप है, गैप डाउन है? ये गैप अप ओपनिंग है. इफ इट इज गैप अप, वी विल कंसिडर दिस एज अ रैली. ये रैली है, ठीक है. सिमिलरली इफ मार्केट नेक्स्ट डे गिव्स गैप डाउन ओपनिंग, ऐसे खुलता है, नीचे की तरफ खुल जाता है लाइक दिस, so this is a gap down opening. अगर ये gap down opening है, if this is a gap down opening, then अगर ये gap down opening है तो, if it is gap down opening, then it is drop. Absolutely yes. So color is not important. Why I am saying this? Because अगर मैं color निकाल भी देता हूँ, if I remove the color, still it is going to be a drop only. Candle अपना anatomy change नहीं करेगा, still it is going to be a drop only, even if I remove the color, है ना? So for me, if it is a gap down, I will consider that as a drop. ठीक है, I will consider that as a drop. You're welcome. Now see, can I mark this as supply formation? इसको supply mark कर सकता हूं मैं? Can I mark this as supply formation? चलो done. At what price we have a distal line? Distal line कहाँ पे है? At what price? At what price we have distal line? R is the shortcut to remove the color. 748 we have distal line. ठीक है. Now see price, what price is doing? विल वेट फॉर द प्राइस टू कम इन दिस जोन, हम यहाँ पे वेट करेंगे आने का। प्राइस जोन में आ गया, प्राइस इनसाइड दी जोन, प्राइस इनसाइड दी जोन, यस, ठीक है। इफ यू वांट टू ट्रेड वन लॉट ऑफ फ्यूचर, एक लॉट फ्यूचर निफ्टी का ट्रेड करना है, फ्यूचर लॉट ऑफ निफ्टी, इफ यू वांट टू ट्रेड वन लॉट ऑफ निफ्टी, कितना मार्जिन है, व्हाट इज द मार्जिन रिक्वायरमेंट, व्हाट इज द मार्जिन रिक्वायरमेंट, आई विल टेल यू धर्मेश जी, व्हाट इज द मार्जिन रिक्वायरमेंट, कितना है, अप्रोक्स 1.5 लाख, ठीक है, अप्रोक्स 1.5 लाख अप्रोक्स, करेक्ट, 1.7, चलो 1.5 कंसिडर करते हैं, मान लेते हैं कि एक लॉट का मार्जिन रिक्वायरमेंट 1.5 लाख, ठीक है, 1.5 लाख, ठीक है, चलो डन। नाउ सी, इफ मार्केट स्टार्ट्स फॉलिंग फ्रॉम हियर, अगर मार्केट यहां से गिरता है, मार्केट अगर यहां से गिरता है, सो इंस्टेड ऑफ ट्रेडिंग फ्यूचर, आई कैन ट्रेड ऑप्शन ऑल्सो, मैं ऑप्शन भी ट्रेड कर सकता हूँ। सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट स्ट्राइक प्राइस ऑफ 750। व्हाई आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 750, 750 की बात क्यों कर रहा हूँ, बिकॉज दिस इज डिस्टल लाइन ऑफ द सप्लाई जोन, ये इसका सप्लाई जोन का डिस्टल लाइन है। सो वेर इज 750, दिस 750, ठीक है। लेट मी ओपन दिस चार्ट, इफ आई डबल क्लिक ऑन दिस पुट ना, इट विल गिव मी चार्ट ऑफ पुट, ये पुट का चार्ट देगा मुझे, नाउ दिस इज चार्ट ऑफ पुट, यस। सो हाँ, लेट मी अगेन गो बैक टू माय spot chart, just I want to check the time, at what time I got the entry, कितने बजे एंट्री मिली मुझे, at what time I got the entry, 10:45, ठीक है, 10:45 price approach the supply formation, now I will check the chart of put, so 10:45 में put क्या कर रहा था, where it was, why put, everybody understood ना, मैंने put ही क्यों select किया, why put, because it has formed a supply zone, supply zone से अगर मैं नीचे आने के बारे में सोच रहा हूँ, if I'm expecting price will drop from supply zone, so bearish मंदी का निशानी है put, तेजी का निशानी है call, it is a sign, bearish move it means put, bullish move it means call, ठीक है। now see this, at 10:45 where is this put trading, कहां पे ट्रेड कर रहा है 10:45, and even if you observe we do have this, एक demand zone भी है हमारे पास, Victor if I mark this, है ना, what low it made, 95 rupees low it made, 95 रुपीज का लो बनाया है इसने। अगर आप 100 रुपए पे भी बाय करते हैं, लेट्स से इवन इफ यू बाय एट 100 रुपीज, अगर आप 100 रुपए पे बाय करते हैं दिस पुट विद स्टॉप लॉस बिलो दिस, ठीक है, ऑन अ सेफ्टी साइड, स्टॉप लॉस बिलो दिस, यू गॉट द टारगेट, सी दिस व्हाट हाई इट मेड, यू गॉट द टारगेट, टारगेट ऑफ 3:1, इसमें ही मिल गया, ठीक है। नाउ व्हाट इज द मार्जिन रिक्वायरमेंट इफ आई एम बाइंग दिस पुट, इफ आई एम बाइंग पुट एट 100 रुपीज, व्हाट इज द मार्जिन रिक्वायरमेंट, मार्जिन रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, so there is no margin na, there is no margin, it is only premium, there is no margin, it is only premium, and premium is what, 100 multiplied by 50, now see this is a lot size, 50 is a lot size, new lot size, it is no more 75, so margin requirement is 5000 only, ठीक है, this is a margin requirement or premium what I have paid, ठीक है। Let's say if I book profit at 140 rupees, if I booked profit at 140 rupees, which means profit of 40 rupees, profit of 40 rupees, that means this is 40 multiplied by 50, so it is a profit of 2000. Now what is my return on investment, कितना लगा कि मैंने 2000 रुपए कमाया, सिर्फ 5000 रुपए लगा के मैंने 2000 रुपए कमाया। सो इवन when I am trading, yes, how to calculate loss, same way, Rohan sir, if you are buying at 100 rupees keeping stop loss of 85 rupees, so there you are taking a risk of 15 rupees, so 15 rupees multiply by 50, 15 रुपए multiply by 50, you will get the loss. It is somewhere around 740 rupees loss, है ना? Yes, any rule in this case? So rule is, Deepak ji, अगर मेरा spot का supply zone टूट जाता है, if it breaks the supply zone, I will exit the position. Simple rule. If price break the supply formation, I will exit from my position, which I have taken in the option. Got it? This is how you can trade option. Now see, option and future is not that easy to trade, though it attracts everybody. ये सबको attract करता है, but it is not easy to trade. उतना आसान नहीं है. वहां पे बहुत सारे other parameters भी हैं, we need to check. है ना? We need to check. Yes, one such parameter is what Dharmesh ji is talking about. So let me open any this. Yes, any of this. Suresh ji, for what? But cannot put target as stop loss at the same time. Now recently it started, Suresh ji, bracket order they started. So Sherkhan mein, yes, they started. Yes, done. You're welcome. Now see what in whatever stocks you are now. Let me just go to uh, ABFRL. In whatever stock we have, right click. There we have one study. Now this is only for the students, those who have enrolled for the future class, option class, advanced class. It is for them only. Okay. It is professional option trader IV gauge. If I apply this, now, so it helps me to understand. Now if you see this red color ka line now, so there we have different bands hai. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 bands. So if it is at or near to this first band, it means it is cheap. If it is near to second band, still cheap. Near to third band, it is fairly valued. Near to fourth band, it is expensive. Near to fifth band, very expensive. So what it indicates, ये क्या बताता है? So if you want to play with the option, it is good to buy the option, not sell the option. If the option is expensive, अगर option expensive है, then it is good to sell the option, not the right time to buy the option. So ये हमारा काम थोड़ा सा और आसान कर देता है. This indicator helps us a lot. Now see, friends, if you are interested, अगर आप interested हो, you're welcome, Rajan sir. Now see, if you are interested in learning this future, in learning this option, so we do have class for this. हमारे पास class है, and in coming week, 17th and 18th July, जो coming week है 17th and 18th, Saturday Sunday, if I'm not wrong, 17th and 18th, Saturday and Sunday. In coming week, we have one class on this. एक class है on this. Yes, I will explain you. Now see, this is again based on invitation. This is based on invitation. ये invitation के basis पे होता है. Yes, there two senior instructor, they are conducting this session. Two senior instructor, most senior instructor of the organization. One senior instructor is Rahul Ghosh and second one is Vishal Suband. So one of the two, I mean not one, I mean both this instructor, they are conducting this session on 17th and 18th of July. Both of them are master in option trading. दोनों master है option trading के, और not just option trading, I mean naked buy of buying option, rather they teach the strategy. वो different strategy बताते हैं, different strategy सिखाते हैं. As I said, this is just based on the invitation. ये invitation के basis पे ही काम करता है. Yes, सुखदेव जी, it means just randomly मैंने एक option buy किया और मैंने एक option sell किया. But there we can also set the strategy. What does it mean? Buy one lot of call option, sell two lot of put option. So there we can minimize the risk and where we can control the risk. This is how we can control the risk. Okay. So now see those who haven't attended, जिन्होंने पहले attend किया है friends, so it is okay. Yes, not for them. But those who haven't attended, जिसने attend नहीं किया है, those who haven't attended, if they are interested, अगर आप interested हो, so you can. If you are interested, you can. ठीक है. This is the, so doesn't matter, Rekha ji, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Yes, those who are interested, they can join. It is not for everybody. Those are interested. So again, as I said, it is based on the invitation basis. Invitation basis. So fees for that is, again इसका fees है, and fees for that is 1990 plus GST. So it comes around 2350 or 2400. 2400 के आसपास आता है इसका fees. Yes. So if you are interested, so what you can do is you can share your name and mobile number. You can just simply share your name and mobile number in one line. एक line में आपको share करना है यहाँ पे, and the concerned person will give you a call. ठीक है? Concerned person will give you a call. So what you need to do is, if you are interested, अगर आप interest हो इसको join करने में, yes, so this concerned person will give you a call and explain you about the class, what instructors are going to cover in this class. इंस्ट्रक्टर क्या क्या कवर करने वाले हैं. ठीक है? Shantara, some even they will explain the fees. I'm not right person because my job is to train and I love this job. है ना? मुझे सिखाना अच्छा लगता है. That is the reason why I am here. I love to teach the people. ठीक है? That is it. That is it. Now, as I said, I will share one stock with you. मैं एक stock share करूंगा आप लोगों के साथ. Yes, is that so, Raghubir ji? So, Raghubir ji, for sure, you just share your number. I will answer Kumkum ji for sure. Yes, so Raghubir ji, you just share your number. I will ask someone to give you a call to discuss this. है ना? I will ask someone to give you a call. Done. Yes. Now I have a question here. Also, I opted for futures and option class, but today bonus session followed by one more session in evening is scheduled for today. Okay, so please, if you plan a MTO on weekend, then please don't plan any of the bonus session, etc. Because MTO courses also, the mentor was trying to motivate me to undergo. Acha, for sure, definitely yes, I will convey your message. I will do. Yes, Aparna ji, what is your question? Can you please post your question? Absolutely yes, Aditi ji. Or maybe what you can do, Aditi ji, just share your name. आप आपका नाम share कर दीजिए. Just share your name. When the concerned person will give you a call, so at that point in time, you can tell him or her that I am interested, but not now. I will attend this class next month or maybe next to next month. So you can just share your name and later you can do this. You can attend anytime, whenever you want. ठीक है? Yes, Raghuvi sir, and your mobile number. So please share your mobile number also. For sure, Sanjeevi, definitely yes. Yes sir, कभी आपको reading करने में problem नहीं आई, never, just because I like this job. So yes, thank you very much, Mayur sir. Thanks a lot. ठीक है. So as I said, friends, I will share one stock with you. मैं एक stock आपके साथ share करूंगा. What I am buying right now. Yes, what I am buying right now, buying right now, it means I can say what I am accumulating slowly and steadily. So it's a long term का ही stock है, recommendation है. It is for long term. So let me just take you there. Ready? Yes. इमरान सर, आपका कोई क्वेश्चन मिस हुआ है क्या? Can we plot supply and demands and call input? Absolutely yes, Bal Ganeshan sir. We can plot. Can we have only FNO class? So Yogesh, you can, when you get a call from the concerned person, na, you can talk to them. They will help you. Om Prakash ji, again, please post your question. I will answer. ठीक है? When we get the today's recorded session, not sure, but definitely yes, you will get the link. of this recorded session. Definitely gaps are measured to open and close or high or low. Open and close, Malcolm sir, open and close. For this new target, so प्रदीप जी रख के रखिए, अगर लंबा होल्ड करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा जाएगा. If you hold it for 2 to 3 years now, 2 to 3 years, then it can also touch the level of 400 plus, 500 plus. Have you noted my yes, Dhaval ji? Yes. What stock is suggesting? For sure, just give me a minute, friends. मैं आता हूँ stock पे. Just a minute. कुछ questions हैं. Let me answer those questions. How did you get the option chain in Sher Khan? Control F. Omkar, who asked me? हाँ, Om Prakash ji, I said this. Control F. कोई भी stock पे चले जाइए. Control F. आपको option chain आ जाएगा. Control F. ठीक है? And even we do have option here. Click on this market watch and just follow my mouse cursor. It is written there option chain. ठीक है? Done. Yes. Any view on Maruti? Maruti का view तो मैं अभी discuss नहीं करूंगा. Maybe in Maruti we can discuss this a little later. I mean, lot later. It means in the option class. Sorry, what I am saying in the LMS live Monday session room. There we will discuss the chart. ठीक है? Right now, just one stock or one or two stock rather I can say, or maybe if you want three stock, तीन stock भी मैं बता सकता हूँ. So one is, let me start with this A. I do take, yes, Malcolm sir, many times. I do take. हाँ, so मेरा entry stop loss marked ही है वहाँ पे. This is the stock which is Apollo Tyre. Sorry, not Apollo Tyre, Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital. This stock is started moving from here. यहाँ से move करना शुरू हुआ है ये stock. So if you want to buy in this level, though I will not buy here now. I bought little quantity here. But if I want to buy fresh now, if I want to buy fresh, I will prefer to buy here in this demand zone. This is a very good demand zone. Why I'm saying this now? If I go to monthly time frame chart, if I go to monthly time frame chart, now see what it has formed on the monthly time frame chart. क्या बनाया है इसने monthly chart पे? What it has formed? RBR formation. Yes, the rally base and rally formation. ठीक है? Overall trend monthly chart पे भी positive है. If I go to weekly time frame chart, what is the trend here? What is the trend here? It is also uptrend. Yes. Now if I go to day time frame chart, what is the trend here? What is the trend here? It is also up. Now many times you have heard me in live mentor session, I give respect to the zone where this is a previous resistance level, minor ही था, but it was previous resistance level. Yes. If I draw one horizontal line here, so what price did? What price did? Resistance को break करते हुए इसने एक नया demand form किया है ना? While breaking this resistance level, it formed a new demand. So this is a very quality level. So keep this level on radar. कभी भी अगर मार्केट में अच्छी गिरावट आती है, if we get a good 4 to 5% fall in the market, सारे स्टॉक्स गिरेंगे. And if it comes into this demand area ना, go for it. लेना चाहिए. Yes, go for it. So there is a chart, there is a level on the daily time frame chart. Daily time frame के chart पे ये level है 3490. Apollo Hospital. Next stock is BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electronics. Good stock, अच्छा stock है. Yes, monthly time frame chart. What is the demand zone it has? Oh, I mean, what level it has formed? Monthly time frame chart पे. What level it has formed? Rally based rally. It is rally based rally. Yes. Now, what about supply zone? Do I see supply formation? It is cutting through. Supply formation cut कर रहा है. Cutting through. Cutting through. Yes. Next supply formation is what? 81.55. It is also tested, not fresh. Tested है, fresh नहीं है. Not fresh. Yes. Then next supply zone somewhere here. 108. So for me, it is a possible target in BHEL. Again, long term, हाँ, 2 दिन 5 दिन हफ्ते भर के लिए नहीं सोचना है. नहीं सोचना है 2 दिन 5 दिन हफ्ते भर के लिए. लॉन्ग टर्म यानी कि एटलीस्ट 6 महीने से साल भर आपको होल्ड करना है. वीकली टाइम फ्रेम चार्ट, ट्रेंड इज पॉजिटिव. डेली टाइम फ्रेम चार्ट, So here, this is the level, rally based rally. I wanted to go with this. I missed this opportunity here, but again, if I get this opportunity, I would love to. So this is a daily time frame chart. Demands around 60 rupees. I missed the opportunity. Again, if I get the opportunity, I would love to. I would love to. Now, what I am observing here, मैं क्या observe कर रहा हूँ? Now see this. What we are observing here, क्या observation है यहाँ पे? है ना? It is sideways plus support. Price इसको तोड़ नहीं रहा है. Sideways plus support. Yes. Sideways plus support. Yes. Now see, what about this? एक और चीज दिखाता हूँ. What about this? And what about this? Resistance. Very good. Superb. अब आप सीख गए. Superb. So if I draw this kind of a resistance level, kind of a resistance level, ठीक है. Now what I just want from the stock, मैं क्या चाहता हूँ इस स्टॉक से? या तो प्राइस यहाँ पे आएगा तो बाय करूंगा अराउंड 59 रुपीज, और इफ इट स्टार्ट्स मूविंग अप फ्रॉम हियर, अगर यहाँ से ही ऊपर की तरफ जाता है और इफ इट गिव्स मी अ न्यू रैली कैंडल, देन कैन आई, अगर नया रैली पे रैली बन जाता है तो कैन आई. चलो परफेक्ट. सो दिस इज स्टॉक, कीप ऑन रडार. BHEL, भारत हेवी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. लॉन्ग टर्म में टारगेट है 100 प्लस. बाय न्यू डिमांड्स ऑन करेक्ट नीला जी. वन मोर स्टॉक विच इज सुवेन लाइफ साइंस. थोड़ा सा इसका नजरिया और बड़ा करेंगे. ठीक है, सुवेन लाइफ साइंस. लेट मी स्टार्ट विद द क्वार्टरली टाइम फ्रेम चार्ट. नाउ व्हाई दिस फॉल इज, आई डोंट नो. ये इतना बड़ा फॉल क्यों आया, आई डोंट नो. आई एम अज्यूमिंग दैट दिस कुड बी बिकॉज ऑफ सम डीमर्जर. कोई तो भी डीमर्जर की वजह से इतना बड़ा फॉल आया होगा, बिकॉज ऑफ सम डीमर्जर. ठीक है. दिस इज माय डिमांड जोन ऑन द क्वार्टरली टाइम फ्रेम चार्ट. यस और नो? ये तो अभी बना है आफ्टर डीमर्जर. सुवेन लाइफ साइंस. हाँ, yes, Bharat sir, absolutely yes, correct. Now this is a newly formed demand on rally base and rally base rally. ठीक है. इसके पहले अगर हम कुछ पिक्चर देखें, let me just show you few pictures. Right click, chart linking, none. Okay, let me open one more chart. Very good, Salita ji, very good, super. Yes. Now see this. If I open Tata Chemical, almost similar chart na. Tata Chemical almost similar. Again demerger, correct? See this. This is a demerger, then rally base and rally formation. But here already price rallied, but this is missing here. One more chart. Let's see one more chart. Adani Enterprises. Same thing here. Demerger. Yes or no? Demerger. Yes. So I am just expecting. This history. Market will again repeat this history. Possible hai, chances hai. Yes, all these stocks are penny stocks, but while teaching they do. This is not a penny stock. Penny stock is what? Where we don't have a volume. Yesterday, one of my friend asked me, can I trade this stock which is Golden Tobacco? He asked me. I just simply said no, no, मत देखो इस स्टॉक को. बिकॉज एक तो क्या है, ये स्टॉक कैसा चलता है, जस्ट लुक एट द मूवमेंट. दूसरा वॉल्यूम ही नहीं है स्टॉक में. 3,000 4,000 क्या वॉल्यूम है? नथिंग. यस. सो हु सेड दैट इफ द स्टॉक इज ट्रेडिंग बिलो 100 रुपीज इट इज पेनी स्टॉक? नो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. है ना? इवन इन बिग टेट प्लस, नाउ दिस इज अ बिग टेट प्लस लिस्ट. इवन इन बिग टेट प्लस, इफ आई क्लिक ऑन करंट मार्केट प्राइस, so there we have stock which is less than 100 rupees. Look, GMR Infra, future option का stock है. I cannot call this penny stock. PNB cannot call this penny stock. IDFC First Bank cannot call this penny stock. BHEL, Bank of Baroda, National Aluminium, Federal Bank, L&T Finance, IOC. I cannot call this penny stocks. Those who remember, those who remember, we bought BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electronics. हमने buy किया था 30 rupees पे, if you remember. Oh हाँ, Electrical Limited. Every time I'm BEL is in my mind. Got it? ठीक है. So again, let me just come back to my हाँ. Suven Life Science. Now Suven Life Science, it's a good stock. ठीक है, it is a good stock. Correct, Ashwita ji. Yes. Now see this. What is the formation we have? There's a rally base and rally on the quarterly time frame chart. Now if I go to monthly time frame chart, so here what is the trend? If you observe what it is forming the trend, so every time it is making a new high where we don't have a volume, Malcolm sir. So there I give weightage. If I don't have value volume in the stock, then just simply leave it. It is uptrend, है ना? It is uptrend, slightly uptrend. Perfect. Now if I go to weekly time frame chart, so even on the weekly time frame chart, where the stock is trading right now? Weekly time frame chart where the stock is trading, it is trading inside the demand zone. ठीक है? There is one more demand zone which is this drop based rally 69 rupees at 69 rupees. There we have one more demand zone at 69. Yes. Now see this. As I got two demand zones, so until this price goes below this demand zone, I am bullish. मैं bullish ही हूँ जब तक इसके नीचे नहीं जाता है. I am bullish. Now, if I just want to fine tune this, so recently in my future class, I was conducting one future class, or recently in my future class, we bought this stock together. हमने साथ में buy किया. Few of my future students bought this stock at this price 87 rupees पे हमने buy किया है. बहुत बड़ा movement नहीं आया है. It is still there. अभी भी वहीं पे ही है. वहीं पे ही है. But what I have suggested them that अगर आपको buy करना है ना, so buy only 20 or 30% here, so that if market starts moving up, future class may no, I just recommend this is only in the cash market, it is not in future. So अगर आपको buy करना है, just invest 20 and 30% of your capital, not entire capital, only 20 and 30% of your capital. Rest you can buy here, where here we do have one more dimension which is also coinciding with the weekly demand. Weekly के साथ coincide करता है. There we have weekly demand. Stop loss will go below 65 rupees. If it's sustained below the level of 65 rupees, exit, accept the loss. Loss लेना निकल जाना बाहर. But probability is very good. This stall slowly and steadily the stocks will start moving up. As such, I don't see any hurdle. मैं कोई hurdle नहीं देख रहा हूँ ये stock में. As such, I don't see any hurdle. So possibilities are quite high if we hold this stock for next 1 to 2 years. एक से दो साल अगर हम hold करते हैं ये stock को, एक से दो साल अगर हम hold करते हैं ये stock को, double होने के chances हैं. एक से दो साल अगर hold करते हैं, double होने के chances हैं. Got it? Done. So with that, friends, short term target, let's see. So weekly पे और daily पे देखते हैं. Short term target, yes. ठीक है. So immediate target, what we can expect is if this stock is bouncing from here, from this demand zone, uh, ठीक है. First thing I want price to break this level, this high. ये जो high बनाया है पे 94. If it breaks this high ना, then immediate target what you can expect is this 104 plus. This is what you can expect short term में. And for short term, don't keep big stop loss. For short term, keep stop loss below 82 rupees. यानी कि 80 रुपए का stop loss लगा लीजिए. 7 रुपए का रिस्क है, उसके सामने 14 रुपए का टारगेट. 2:1. Done. So with that, friends, we'll stop here for the day. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Yes, everything is there, Anilima ji. Yes, it is there. Done. Thank you very much, friends. So again, we'll see you in the next session. Till that time, enjoy your day. Have a great weekend. Thank you very much. Take care. Thanks a lot.